Good morning, students. So class, today we will see the explanation of exercises. So first is tick the correct option. So which of these is a property of metals? Ductility, sonority, luster. So we know these all the properties are shown by metals. So this is all of these. The elements which have 4 electrons in their valence shell means outermost shell, that are metalloids. Which of these is a noble metal? Noble metal I told you means जो ज़्यादा reactive नहीं होता है, that is gold. Which non-metal is used in the fireworks industry? I already told you. फॉस्फोरस, मैच स्टिक्स में भी फॉस्फोरस का यूज़ होता है, इसीलिए ये फायरवर्क्स इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ किया जाता है. अ मेटल फाउंड इन लिक्विड स्टेट एट रूम टेम्परेचर, दैट इज मरकरी, दैट्स वाई इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन थर्मोमीटर्स. नेक्स्ट इज मेटल रिएक्ट विद वाटर टू फॉर्म व्हाट दे फॉर्म व्हेन मेटल्स रिएक्ट विद वाटर? हाइड्रो ऑक्साइड, और ऑक्साइड से मिलके मेटल ऑक्साइड्स. Now ऑक्सीजन से मिलके मेटल ऑक्साइड्स. Now which metals cannot replace iron in a chemical reaction? Tin, lead, hydrogen या zinc? So the answer is zinc. Why zinc? Because बाकी जो tin, lead और हाइड्रोजन है ये इतने ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव नहीं है, बट zinc पहले आता है आयरन से भी, इसलिए zinc रिप्लेस कर देगा. A malleable form of iron with a little carbon, that is wrought iron. Which of the following is not an alloy? Alloy, I told you, alloy is a mixture of 2 or 3 metals. So brass, bronze, germanium, German silver. So these are the mixtures. But chromium, it is not an alloy. क्योंकि पूछा है not, जो नहीं है alloy, that is chromium. क्योंकि बाकी सारे मिक्सचर से बनते हैं, बट क्रोमियम वो नहीं है. डैश आर, नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक. डैश आर जनरली हार्ड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. मेटल्स, मेटल्स विद इम्प्यूरिटीज आर वेरी रिएक्टिव. मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. एंड नेक्स्ट, एंटीमनी, जर्मेनियम एंड आर्सेनिक आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ metalloids. Dash is used in galvanization, that is zinc. Now next is true false. Noble metals are very reactive. No, noble metals they are very unreactive, so that is false. Sodium is very soft and be cut by a knife. Yes, it is true because it is an exception. वैसे generally metals hard होते हैं, लेकिन सोडियम एक ऐसा मेटल है जो सॉफ्ट होता है. Non metals are non sonorous. Yes, it is true. Non sonorous I told you means sound. Okay, now diamond is the hardest known substance. Yes, it is true. Nitrogen gas is released when metals react with oxygen acids. It is false. कौन सी गैस रिलीज होती है जब एसिड से रिएक्शन होता है? दैट इज हाइड्रोजन गैस. नाउ मैचिंग्स, ऑक्सीजन दैट इज यूज फॉर रेस्पिरेशन एंड कंबशन. गैंग, it is a type of mineral impurity. Copper used in electric wires. Mercury, it is liquid at room temperature. Graphite, pencil lead. So 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. So these are the exercises. Now see one words. Do non-metals react with water? No. Which non-metal is found dissolved in water for aquatic life? We know oxygen. So the answer is oxygen. The property of metals by virtue of which they can be drawn into wires. Wires में that is ductility. Okay. That can be drawn into wires. That is ductility, and that can be beaten into thin sheets, that is malleability. Okay, remember. Name a noble metal, that is gold. You can write any gold, silver, platinum. Noble, that are unreactive. Okay. Name the most reactive metal placed on the top in the reactivity series. मैंने तुम लोगों को क्लास reactivity series पूरी पढ़ाई है. and I also told you to draw this reactivity series in your notebook. So remember, because this will also help you in higher classes. So class, remember this reactivity series. Once again I am telling you. So the topmost metal of reactivity series is potassium, then sodium. Okay, you can also see once again. See, draw it in your notebook and try to remember it. Potassium, sodium, barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, nickel, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, and the last is platinum. Okay.